Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to do what activity? So, a question basically about the lucky winner. Okay, that's what it's called. So, here. So, it's basically a name. So, it's Doryman, Dory, Doraman, Dory, Doryman's anniversary. Anniversary, okay? Anniversary. And there are 25 cus- customers. Okay? One of but one of but I mean but one one of them are the winner. Are the winner for Noriman's anniversary. Okay? 25th anniversary. 25th anniversary. My bad. Yeah, okay. Now we have to make a Python code for this. How do we do that? First of all, here's what we gotta do. Step 1. Import random library. Step step 2 is to use random from 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 1 to 25. Now step 2, and also make a variable winner. But we can just do that later. Okay? Step 3. Now for step 3, print the random winner. So we have 3 steps. First step is to import a random library. Second step is to use random from 1 to 25. Okay? And print the random winner, which is the third step. First of all, import random. Done, right? After that, we have to make a variable winner. Okay? Or any variable, but we want to make a sensible variable. So, winner. Okay? Equals to random dot random from 1 comma 25. Then just print the winner. Print the winner is, of, we can copy it, is, of Doryman's 25th anniversary is the winner. So it could be any random winner. Let's go to see. Okay. Is 6. I forgot lucky draw. Oh. Lucky draw. Okay, let's go. So 6, 23. Okay. Guess this number. Guess it. Tell me in the comments. Okay, guys? What is it? Let's see what the answer is gonna be. I think it's 10. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. I just guessed that. I don't know how. 8, 15, and so on. And officially you won. Okay? So thank you everyone for listening about how to print the random winner from this person's 25th anniversary, okay? This is pretty simple. Import the random library, then make a variable winner using the random sublibrary, okay? Sublibrary random using the numbers from 1 to 25 and then print the winner. Done. And don't forget to like and subscribe.